Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. As you know, I'm the weld professor, and today I'm bringing you out here today to show you these skills and techniques, but I'm going to bring you over to the machine and I'm going to show you guys how to start it up pretty much, or how I like to start it up. Now most of the time it's just an easy switch. You turn it to run idle, you wait for all your lights to come on. A lot of guys in the morning, they'll hit their glow plug, because if you haven't been running your machine, it's going to have a hard time. Now these machines do come with a plug-in. You can plug it in at night. It'll keep your block nice and warm. It'll be easy starting in the morning for the winter times. After you've done that, you can go ahead and let it fire up. Now when you press start on this machine, you want to make sure it gets to full high idle before you let go of that start button, or it's just going to die right away. You don't want to just think you can just hit it and turn it on. It takes a little bit. So as you see, it's running now. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. This is my beat up ass remote, and I'm going to turn it on for you guys. I'm going to set my setting to my downhill pipe so it's available for me. I'm going to show you what I do to kind of set my machine in the morning and make sure it's ready to rock and roll. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and run my remote all the way up to 100 amps and see where it gives me on my dial out here. It's about 254. It seems to be close to the range. I'll go ahead and turn it down to about 250 amps. At that point right there, I know my max degree on my heat is 250 amps. So let's go ahead and turn it down to where I think is proper and appropriate to weld what we're going to be doing out here. So I've dropped it down to about 40. 40 is 120 amps. When people hear me say 40, know I'm at 120 amps. When I say up 5 and I go up 5, it's increasing these to 133 amps. When I go up to 5 more, which is 10, which is now 50 on my remote, I'm now at 149 amps. So just keep in mind, every time I say up 5, now 55, I'm at 164 amps. 60 amps, 179 amps. So that gives you a ballpark of the ranges where I'm going to be using my heat. 35, 105 amps. So I'm going to be in that ballpark. That way I can see if I get the results I need to at the end of the test. So let's go ahead and get into it.